to go to another street. It's packed, so we're not able to go through. All right, pretty cool, I gotta say. Traditional dancing, so many cultures all in one place. But we're gonna go a bit different route, guys. Follow me. Alright, I think we're gonna go as soon as we can. We're gonna turn to one of the side streets over here. Modern club inside. Right, guys, backtracking a little bit to get into side streets into the old town, which is remarkable, guys. I'm telling you, the place is remarkable. And just look at yourself. This is the evening in Chania, Crete. Beautiful stores continue, guys. Oh wow, it's beautiful. All right, moving on, guys. If we continue that way, you will see, oh, beautiful cat. Hey, he's a local cat. Bye. I remember you. I remember you. You're not homeless. You're not homeless at all. I remember you. It's a little fatty. So we're gonna actually come back. And usually we come here and feed the kitties. There's a cat colony over here. And we're gonna give you this is Zampelio Spiridonos. And here, guys, if you're in Chania, please bring some food with you, cat food, and feed the local cats, guys. It doesn't cost you much, and it gives happiness to these fellows over here. I won't bother them because if I say kiss kiss or make sound, they're gonna come assuming I have some food. But yes, this is the spot over here where you can feed them. She's going after him. So as you can see, we have a cat over here. There's many cats. Hey. Hey. Up here. Ay. Хорош. You got a short. Alright, so this spot it says it's a cat colony. And you can help them out. Water is over there and there's some food, but you can always bring your own. Here it says, here's some more information. There are also other colonies of stray cats to the right, to the left of here. Thank you very much. And go check out Piroska Stray Cats in Chania. Go subscribe to that and support local cats, guys. You can also donate and help. Alright guys, let's keep on moving. Over there is a really cool spot as well, but I have to go other way because I need to meet my wife who was shopping.
Es curioso que tengáis tantos vuelos desde Alemania. No, bueno, cuando me convencí cerca de los sitios de playa, es aquí para ella es diferente.
Beautiful orthodoxy everywhere. So you can also find more peaceful streets over here, but we're now going this way. So, and why not? That's very atmospheric street over there. And yeah, pretty busy streets over here, guys. Personally, I don't know why would anybody want to sit right next to like a human highway. That's just me, maybe, I don't know. Let's check it out. For example, this here. This is way more better, but it's not a restaurant street yet. You know, you can see some peaceful streets over there. Check it out. This is 1993, some kind of a local temple created. And I think, guys, it's about to be a beer o'clock for me. Find some details like this. An old street over here, bandit building. Wow, you can see a lot of these. Whoa, there's some seats inside. I don't wanna know.
No, perdona.
Non dighi che aspetta la roba.
Sta Fernanda.
Did that lady just say up yours? Then repeat it, up yours? It smells like a vodka here, I don't know why. Beautiful shops over here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at this, guys. And that's somebody's balcony, guys. Can you imagine? Wow, and beautiful ceilings. Not really sure where I'm going, but now this is the place. That's the place to my taste. I've heard a lot of Americans, British, Danish, Swedish, some Finnish, some Russians over here. That couple look. Oh, that couple look really lost. But are we lost? We are as well. Hold up. Go. Oh, a stray dog, is it? Might be actually not. No, she's not. Or he. He'd say he. You can also comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section if you have been to Chania and did you like it here or not. Leave a comment down below, guys. Alright, it's time for beer, guys. I'm definitely buying a beer. Oh, we need to turn to the right, actually.
Το τελευταίο που κάτσε από εκείνη το ξαναπήγαινε τα πόδια.
And of course, yes. And also Italians. People from all around the world. Spanish, Italians, American. Not a lot of, I don't think, no South Americans. People from South America come here, but I guess they have these places on their own. Hello again, my friend. We are lost, guys, for sure. Алло. Я позвоню, когда я не знаю, где я потерялся. Я напишу, позвоню. Ну, 5 минут. Давай. Иди, я найду тебя. Угу. Guys, Chania, you can get lost easily. Can I go through here? Yes, I can. But there's no entrance. No, you can't. So guys, make sure you know where to go, unless you're not in a hurry. In that case, you can just relax. Alright, so yeah, we were closer than we thought. We are back to the main street. And everything, guys, it's 9:15 past 9. And everything is open, guys. This is my Chania exploration. Guys, if you like the video, I'm gonna continue enjoying the day, trying to share, even on my vacations, some of the places that I'm visiting and creating content for you guys. So wow, beautiful artwork behind me. So guys, we're gonna stop this video here, but if you like what I do, push like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, guys. This is Igor in Russia, now in Greece, brother nation Greece, and support the channel with a super chat after the video, even after the video, and see you guys in the next exploration when Igor returns. Thanks a lot, everybody, and see you soon. Bye bye. Check out my other videos from Greece. Bye bye.